Hey, dude. Just looking at the new septic this morning. I've been out here working a couple weeks now on getting it all. So there's the house. And so septic tank here. And then got your drainage lines. And it runs out into the pasture back out in there. You've got leach lines dug out that way. So, not hooked up yet, not operable and running, but he's making headway. Doing a little Sunday drive this morning.
We have to find the back road of our house.
Finding the back road between the house we're working on and the service house for the client. She asked us to use the 4-wheel drive truck to figure it out. So here we go. Not gonna complain. It's not a bad Sunday on the back of a truck in the middle of a ranch. It's a little cool this morning, cooler than it has been. It's certainly not bad though. Certainly not bad if you have a flannel on and a pair of jeans and some cowboy boots, of course. New shingles going on. It's December 1st. New shingles are going on in the house. So the sun's just going down. And we were on a walk. I was trying to get this on camera for you. It's turkeys, wild turkeys. I don't know that you probably won't be able to see them in the low light, but you can definitely hear them. And at night, and there's different areas around the house here where they roost. You know, they all get up in the bushes and trees, I guess, for safety. But they just make so much noise before they actually just go to bed. I don't think you can quite see them moving out there. It's getting pretty dark, but they should get up in those bushes there pretty soon. Because usually by dark, when the sun's completely down, we don't hear them anymore. So it's usually just at dusk that you... There they go. Roosting has begun. So this is what happens when one decides to roost, they all... I guess that saying, birds of a feather flock together, I guess. There's a great illustration. They were all on the ground right here, and now they're all up in those bushes roosting down for the night. Oh, there's one little lone one out in the field. I don't know what he's doing. And my dog. Sitting there just observing. She's really not very interested in going after them at all because they've been in closer to the house at times and she's